Hi, today I'm part of INFINIX Hot 20i and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and then in the search pool we should enter the Ampere, and now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see the information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 31.4 degrees. Also we can see here more information like the battery capacity, health level, model of the device, Android version, and more other info. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.